Hey guys, welcome back to Small Talk, small conversations with huge impact. Now exclusively on Spotify, powered by Spotify for podcasters. And my name is Alec Cuenca. I am your host. And before anything else, I just wanted to say thank you. If you're new here, then I hope that you check out the other amazing episodes if you like this one. And if you are an avid listener of the podcast, then welcome back. I'm so happy that you are still invested in yourself. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been sharing the podcast on their threads, on their Instagram. Thank you. I'm going to give a huge shout out to a few people that are also replying to the question and answers here on the Spotify feature. Okay, Chacha answered in one of the episodes, episode 270. I didn't know I was crying when listening to this. I've been having trouble lately with work. The impression that I lack a conversation partner. This is quite beneficial. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm happy that the podcast reached you, Chacha. And of course, Wisely also said it's very realistic. Sometimes rest is not enough. All we need is to cry, to release the pain and remind us that we are alive. Thank you so much for all of your support. I love that, Wise. Again, I truly appreciate each and every single one of you for always replying on the question and answer. Thank you so much, and huge shout out to both of you. And now to the episode where I will teach you and I will share with you a masterclass on how to pay your debt. Enjoy.
As early as now, can I request for something? Thumbs up if yes? Okay lang po ba? No, habang hindi pa po tayo nagsasalita, ay nagsisimula. No, para naman sa mga katulad ni Kyle. Kung meron po kayong kilalang tao na merong utang, na nasistress na rin sa mga finances niya, na gustong mag-level up sa finances niya, I want you to pull up your phone right now and message mo siya, kopyahin mo tong Zoom link dito, tas sabihin mo, friend, eto na. Panahon na para makabangon. Sumali ka dito ngayon. Okay? We still have 20 to 30 slots available, so make sure that you send this one to them. Because I know for a fact that this is probably going to be one of the best talks that you are going to hear. Ask me why. Why in the chat box? Ask me why in the chat box. No? Why this is going to be one of the best talks that you will hear? Thank you, Jester, Jenny, Jana, Jory, Apuro J. Okay? The reason why this is the best talk that you're going to hear is because this is the best talk that I have created. I prepared this exclusively for you guys. Kayo po ang unang makakarinig kung paano ko ba step by step na clear ang utang at nakabangon. Okay? Step by step, ituturo ko na po sa inyo. And so I want you to share this to people that you know that you care about so that hindi lang kayo ang makabangon at mag-next level. Fair? Great. Okay. Few things before we start so that I make sure that you get the most out of this. To get the most out of this webinar, you need to remember 3 things. Number 1, you need to close off the other tabs. You need to close off the other things that you're doing. You need to be here and listen. Hindi na po natin mauulit tong pagkakataon. This moment right here, hindi na natin to mauulit. So be here 100% and listen. Okay? Biggest lesson that I've learned nung simula ko na-meet si Coach Yani, pag merong taong successful, ang gagawin ay makinig. Ang hirap kasi sa atin, lalo na tayo mga Pilipino eh. Sabihin, ganito yung gagawin mo para yumaman. Ang sabihin natin, we. Tinuturo na nga eh. Ito po ang paraan para yumaman. Tapos tayo, we. Hindi, parang hindi. Makinig ka po. No? If you see someone having the same results that you want in your life, you listen. Okay? Number 1, be here 100%. Number 2, get ready to screenshot or better, write notes, a quote, a story, an idea anything that connects to where you are right now, isulat nyo po yan. There's a magic in writing things down. When you write things down, chances are mas mataas na mangyari yon at ma-retain sa inyo. Write or take down notes. Clear? Thumbs up? Great. Number 3. As early as now, alam ko na po kung sino dito yung mas mabilis maging successful in life. Share ko po ba kung paano ko nalaman? No? I know for a fact that the people here, by this indicator, has a higher chance to becoming successful pag ikaw ay naka-on cam. Pag ikaw po ang naka-on cam, why? Ask me why in the chat box. Why in the chat box? Bakit? Paano ko nasabi yon? Why? Jester, JD, Irel, Angelica, Adamson, thank you. Bakit? Pag naka-on cam, bakit? Why? Because how you do one thing is how you do everything. Meaning, if right now you show up 100% and you're serious about this, I promise you, in all the other areas in your life, you're also serious. If in this webinar you want to get the most out of it, in every moment of your life you want to get the most out of it as well. But maybe the reason why we're still broke, okay, you're still broke, ako po hindi na. Maybe the reason why you're still broke is because you don't just want to show up. Nandito ka na rin lang, sulitin mo na. Open up your cameras and share energy. When I say raise your hand, raise your hand. When I say type this, type that. Engage and give energy. Open up your cameras and I will see those beautiful and handsome faces. And if you are ready to get this started, excited na akong magsimula tayo. As I pull up my screen, and I know for a fact that a lot of you saw the poster and naisip nyo na, okay, you want to learn how to clear your debts. Narinig nyo naman po ang storya ko. So okay lang po ba na tanungin ko rin dito? Honest lang po. No judgment. Coming from a person who also experienced the same thing. Sino dito yung meron pang utang, bad debt? Raise your hand. Raise a virtual hand. Okay? Thank you for your honesty. I see people raising their hand. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay? And just like me, you might not want to acknowledge it, you might not want to look at it, but the purpose of you raising your hand and saying, yes, actually, I have bad debt, it's the first step to clearing it out. It's the first step to solving it because you can't solve a problem you're not acknowledging. So ngayon pa lang, no? If you're someone who knows that you have bad debt, no, I want you to tap yourself on the shoulder and say, okay lang yan. We'll do better. We'll do better. Okay? And so, the reason why I created this talk is not just to share my story, but to make sure that when you get out of here, you not just be equipped with how to clear your debt, but more of get proper principles, number one, and systems so that anything that you desire, lalo na pagdating sa pera, kaya mo. The reason why we're here and the reason this is important kasi I know for a fact na ang utang, no, it's so common to talk about to talk about something na okay, merong utang ganyan, tas parang we don't even want to talk about it. Okay, we don't even want to talk about it. Nawala ano yan? Ay, nawala ako. Sige, go. Patanggal akong cam. Okay, nawala ang camera ko. Ayan. So, habang inaayos ang camera ko, no, dito muna ako sa baba. Siyempre, alam niyo naman ako, hindi ako mapipigilan ng kahit na ano. So, okay? Thank you sa mga nagsabing wala akong camera. But, I'm just happy to be sharing this with you guys. Kasi nga, walang net. I have bad net, no? Hindi lang bad debt. Bad net din. Wait lang. Sige, pasalo. Okay. Yes. Yes, I am back. Thank you so much, no? And as I was saying, the reason why, no, hindi lang pala bad debt, bad net din daw. No? Okay, the reason why I wanted to share this with you guys, kasi, nung nakita ko to na posible ito para sa akin, sabi ko, shucks, this is not really impossible, number one. And number two, I know for a fact that a lot of people also experience the same thing. Ayaw lang aminin. Which is why I'm so happy that we have a community here, 70 plus more people, becoming vulnerable about their finances, talking about money. No, because if you're raised in a place that is similar to a Filipino setup, katulad ko, we can't talk about money. It's mga parents lang, mga adults lang ang pwedeng pag-usapan ng pera. Tama? Anyone here who also experienced, pakitype nga me sa chat box. No, if money was a taboo in your family, in your culture, no? Me, JD, Alea, Shanine, Angelica, Ivy, Jester, Juvel, Ira, thank you. Ang dami. Ang daming hindi rin okay pag-usapan to. And because of that culture, nung nalubog po ako sa utang, sobrang hirap makabalik. Kasi hindi ko nga magawang aminin. But when I learned, no, before I really broke down and parang hindi ko na alam yung gagawin, isang bagay lang po ang patuloy kong ginawa is yung magbasa ng Bible. No, alam niya ng mga taong kasama ko noon, no? And this one quote really changed how I looked at it, no? And sabi niya lang na Proverbs 22:27, the borrower is the slave to the lender, or the slave of the lender. So sabi ko, if I'm a slave, and I'm constantly feeling this anxiety, this overthinking, this overwhelmment, then that means I'm not free. And kahit ang laki na ng kinikita ko, pero lubog ako sa utang, then I'm not free. And I can clearly remember the day that I decided na sinabi ko, tama na. Can everyone type in the chat box? Pakisabi, tama na. No? Pakitype in sa chat box, pakisabi, tama na. Okay? And we're back. Thank you so much. Tama na. I can clearly remember that day. No? I was in this room, and believe me, hindi po color grading to. Ganito po ka-depressed sa kwartong to. Because for countless nights, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat right. I was filling myself up with alcohol. And can I be vulnerable here? Thumbs up if yes. You know, I was also trying to mask it with drugs. Darkest days of my life. And which is weird. Kasi growing up, money was not the most important thing in my life. Yet one day, nung nabaon ako sa utang, it felt like I was tied up around my neck and I couldn't breathe. I felt like nabalot yung bahay ko ng sobrang kadiliman. No, gigising ka, ayaw mong buksan ng phone mo, ayaw mong tignan yung mga messages. Ayaw mong lumabas kasi baka may makakita sa'yo. Ayaw mong trumabaho kasi knowing na sobrang laki. Paano ba to? Hindi ko kaya to. Overwhelmment, left and right. While you continue to see life goes on, pero at the same time, ikaw, you're there, you're in a hole. At sobrang lalim. And I don't know about you, but if there are some people who also felt the same way, I want to say that it's completely fine. It's completely fine as long as you get to the point where you become so brutally honest with yourself and finally declare that you want to change your life. Kasi lahat ng tao may problema. Tama? Thumbs up? Lahat ng tao. Okay? Meron ba dito walang problema? Pakitaas ang kamay kung wala kayong problema. Okay, buti naman lahat may problema. No? Favorite ka ni Lord. Lahat ng tao may problema. Pero bakit may mga ibang tao na, well, after a year, naka-quote, no? Ang ganda ng camera, kahit nalulobat, tapos nagsasalita sa 70 na tao sa isang Zoom room nagtuturo about finances. And then at the same time, bakit may mga tao 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, inabot na ng 40, 50, 60, walang nagbabago? Can I share? Ngayon pa lang, real talk na tayo. Bigay ko na agad sa inyo yung sikreto. Wag ko nang i-tee-up to. Wag ko nang i-prep sa inyo to. Okay lang? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. Thank you. Okay? Ang pinakasikreto dito, your life will only change once you get mad. Once you get angry with yourself. Once magalit ka, hindi sa mga pagkakamali mo, kundi sa sitwasyon mo ngayon because you know that you deserve better. But as long as hindi ka pa nagagalit, as long as paulit-ulit mong sinasabi, de okay lang, at ayaw mong baguhin yun, okay lang na nandyan ka, guess what's gonna happen? You're still gonna stay there. So the moment that it changed for me, nung na-bad trip ako, sabi ko, tangina, ayoko na. Ayoko na ng gantong buhay. I know that I'm meant for more. So why would I stay here? It all changed for me when I said this powerful word. Can everyone type in the chat box? Enough. Tama na. Enough. Thank you, Monica, Camille, Roland, Jory, Juvel, Kits. Thank you. Enough. Enough of the mediocrity. Enough of the anxiety. Enough of the overthinking. Enough of the overwhelmment. Enough of the fears. Enough of the doubts. Enough of not going out. Enough of the shame. Enough of the guilt. Enough of the life that I know that I don't deserve. The problem is, okay, a lot of you don't want to say enough. A lot of you want to say, okay lang. That's not gonna change. If you continue to live by that standard, then your life will still be the same. Gonna tell you right now. No, how can you say and expect change if you don't want to change? But if you can only change when you've had enough. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we actually start, I want you to look at a good look in your life and say, whether it's not in your finances, whether it's in your relationships, whether it's with your body, whether it's with your career, and most importantly, if it's with your finances, then enough. Tama na. Tama ng pagsisettle for less. Tama ng pagsistay in sa comfort zone because the comfort zone might be the most dangerous place for you. Tama na. Tama ng hindi pag-grow. Tama ng hindi pag-fulfill ng potential mo. Enough. So this is me calling you out. Every single one of you guys here na isang taon na, 6 months na, no? Wala pa ring pagbabago? Same thing pa din? Tama na po. Hindi nyo po deserve yan. And sinasabi ko to hindi dahil para sa akin. Sinasabi ko to sa inyo dahil alam ko for a fact that if you're here, you're showing up, you want to learn, you want to grow, you want to expand, then enough. Sino dito gustong kumita ng 1 million per month? Can I see a raise of hand? Thank you so much. No? Sa mga taong hindi nagtataas ng kamay, yan sila may mga tao nagtaas ng kamay, sila Neil, Shanine, Ivy, Corinne, Hannah, Roland, no? Sa mga taong hindi nagtataas ng kamay, baka gusto niya 5M. Okay lang. Pero sa mga taong nagtaas ng kamay, gusto mo ng 1M na kitaan, then you got to say enough of you earning 10,000 a month. Are you guys getting this? If you want to earn 1 million pesos, then you got to say enough of the opportunities that only give me 12,000 a month, 15,000 a month. Real talk lang. Real talk lang. Baka kaya hindi dumarating yung blessings na magbibigay sa inyo ng 100K a month, 1M a month. Kasi sa 15,000 na opportunity, okay lang. Are you guys getting this? Okay? Kasi the moment that I said enough, na ayoko nang maging tao na merong sobrang laking utang, okay? Na-scam po ako 2.7 million. More than half of it, hindi ko pera. Pero nung sinabi ko, enough na. Ayoko nang magkulong dito sa kwarto. Tama na. Tama nang hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Tama na na iiyak ako gabi-gabi. Tama na. That's when I started to think about ways how I could pay off the people that I owe money to. And I'm so happy kasi after a year of just working around this is the amount that I paid. Ganto karaming pera po ang naibayad ko sa mga utang ko. Palakpakan nyo naman yan. Okay? 1.7 million. And I'm here to tell you that in tonight's session, I will share with you how I did it so that kahit magkano pa ang utang nyo, kayang-kaya nyo rin yan. So take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si Jester, no? Ang ganda naman ng shinare mo, Jester, na it's not bad. It's not bad to ask for help. In fact, it's a sign of strength, no? You being able to admit that hindi mo talaga kaya lahat and you are just focused on results. You want to get out of it versus yung ego mo, yung pride mo na humingi ka ng tulong, no? Yun yung nile-let go mo eh. Tama? No? And so, letting go of that and being able to ask for help is truly one skill that everyone needs to have, no? And sino dito ang napareflect kanina? Gusto ko type nyo sa chat box me kung kayo rin ay isang mga tao na o nga, tama na. Ayoko na. No, maybe a certain something in your life na ayoko na. No? Thank you, Jory, Joshua, Jester. Shanine, Jana, me, ayan, Chester, Jem, Roland, me, a certain part of your life, napaisip kayo, ayoko yan, tama na, enough, okay? Ready na ako, no? Sino dito, after marinig yung story ko kanina, ganun din ako ngayon, no? Motivated na ako. Deserve ko na yan. Deserve ko na yung maging debt-free, magkaroon ng 1 million na kita per month, no? Type nyo naman sa chat box, deserve. Deserve. No? Deserve, no? Ayan, pare-pares kayo naisip, no? Pare-pares kayo deserve. Okay, I love it, no? But can I be honest, no? A lot of people, matagal na naman tong ginagawa. Sabi niya, deserve ko to. Deserve kong kumita ng 1 million. Tapos, wala nangyayari. Bakit? Ask me why. Thumbs up, no? Why? Kasi, deserve mo nga, na kumita ng 1 million, 100K a month, pero yung galawan mo hindi nagbago. Sharing you a secret here right now. Personal finance is 80% behavior and 20% knowledge. It starts there. Having that knowledge, I deserve this. Having the knowledge, methods, ano pang kailangan? Thank you. But 80% of personal finance is is behavior. Okay? Paano ko alam? Paano? Matagal na po ako nagbabasa ng finance books. In fact, ang pinakauna kong libro na nabasa, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Familiar? Great. No? Pero yun pala, 20% lang yun. Kailangan ko palang i-apply. No, hindi pala pwedeng basa-basa lang. At feeling ko alam ko na kailangan ko palang i-apply. Ganon din po yan. Gusto nyong magbago, baguhin nyo yung behavior nyo. No, marami po kasi dito, addict sa learning session. Tapos, pagdating sa totoong buhay, pikit na lang. Tingin ko na lang mag-learning session ulit next week. Magkaroon na ulit ng free webinar. No? Ayaw i-apply. Apply nyo po. And can I share with you 3 ways for you to change your behavior na as early as now, sure ako na pag in-apply nyo po ito, debt nyo will be cleared, you will have better ways of managing money. Okay lang po ba? Type yes in the chat box if you are open to learning about these 3 ways. Ibibigay ko na po sa inyo, no? Kanina pa po ako nagdadaldal dito. Okay, start na po talaga tayo. Okay. If you want to change your behavior, first step is changing your identity. Yung iba, no? Ang ginagawa nila is they're changing their outcome, their results. Napakahirap po nun. Hindi mo po kontrolado lahat. Yung iba, change nila yung process. Pwede naman. Pero sometimes matagal. Gusto nyo po mabilis na magbabago ang buhay nyo in an instant. Like ngayon din po, ngayong gabi, pagkatapos itong session na to, magbabago buhay nyo. Thumbs up if yes. Change your identity. I was a smoker before. Smoke 2 packs of cigarettes per day. Malala. I've tried a lot of different ways to stop smoking. Hindi ko po nagawa. Except for this one thing. I woke up one day, sabi ko, hindi na ako nagyoyosi. Ew, ano yan? Okay? I changed my identity. Sabi ko, I don't smoke. No, thank you. May nagaya uminom? Sure, pero iwas ako sa smoking area kasi I don't smoke. Yung mga friends ko, ano sabi nila sa akin? Weh, tigilan mo nga ako. No, okay na yan. Hindi ka na. I changed my identity. College po, hanggang 4th year, hanggang 21 years old ako, hindi po ako nagbabasa ng libro. I came across Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Sabi ko, I'm a bookworm. Naks. Bookworm po talaga ako. Ano na nabasa mo? Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Meron ba dito? Mga ganun din. Nakabasa ng isang libro, no? Bookworm na. Hobbies, reading. Na, nilalagay na sa sa bio. Reader. Okay? Nakinig lang ng podcast. Ay, I'm into personal development na talaga. Oo, matagal na. Last week, nung nakakinig ako ng podcast, instantly, you want change in your life, change who you are. Change your identity. Ganun lang po. I want you to look at this. I want you to understand this. Okay? This might be very, very important. Okay? Imagine. Actually, don't imagine. Just look at your life. Look at your life as a movie. And in this movie, you're the director, you're the producer, you're the cameraman, you're the actor, but most importantly, you're the script writer. Hindi ka na masaya sa storya, baguhin mo. Ganun lang po kadali. So, nung baon ako sa utang, ano sinabi ko? Binago ko identity ko. Sabi ko, okay, I'll change my identity. Okay? I changed my identity. So how did I change my identity? No, and this tool that I did, it turns out na it's one of the most powerful tools in self-help in personal development. It's called the identity shift. So in the identity shift, you just need to change 3 things. Number 1, beliefs. Number 2, language. Number 3, space. Number 1, beliefs. Change the way that you look at money. Kaya po dati hindi ako nakabangon kasi sabi ko, more than 2 million ang utang. Parang imposible. Paano kaya mababayaran? Belief. Okay? Pero nung sinabi ko, 2 million, basic. Easy. Beliefs. Nagbago ang tingin ko. Ang liit naman yan. 2 million lang pala utang ko. And then I also changed my language. No? Imbes na sinabi ko, di ko yan afford. Ang sabihin ko, paano ko yan ma-afford? Hindi ko kaya magbayad ng 100K this month. I changed my language. Sabi ko, paano ako makakabayad ng 100K this month? But most importantly, space. Siyempre, kung gusto kong ganun yung galawan ko, sino mga kabanding ko? Yung mga taong ganun din ang kitaan. Gusto kong kumita ng 100K. Siyempre, hindi ako sasama sa mga minimum wage earners. Honest lang. Why? Law of association. You are the average of the 5 people that you spend your most time with. Mga best friend mo lagi mong kasama, lagay mo yan 5. Okay? Pag samasamahin mo lahat ng kita niyan, ikaw ang gitna. So, anong ginawa ko? Binago ko yung space ko. Binago ko yung mga taong sinasamahan ko. No? Isa sa mga lagi ko nakabanding before, thanks to social media, ang kitaan niya, 5 million a month. Sabi ko, a month? Anong gagawin mo sa 5 million a month? Ang daming pera nun, guys. Diba? Totoo naman, diba? Ang dami. 1 million a month nga lang eh. 1 million a month? From a person na, di ba, ang goal lang nung 2 years ago is, Lord, sana po makapag-save ako ng 10,000 pesos. To seeing people earning 1 million, 3 million, 5 million, even 10 million per month. What do you think changed in me? Everything. Dahil nakita ko posible, dahil binago ko yung space ko, nagbago lahat. Are you guys getting this? Thumbs up if yes. Okay? I changed my identity. Binago ko po lahat. So, maybe, starting today, I want you to change your identity. If you want to get out of debt, if you want to change your money management, I want you to say this out loud or type it or screenshot this at gawin niyo pong mantra to. Dahil ito rin po yung ginawa ko at nagbago lahat. I said, starting from this day, and repeat after me, I am responsible with my money. I am responsible with my money. Titingin ako Shopee. I'm responsible with my money. I don't need this. Not gonna buy it. Clear po ba yon? Change who you think you are. Sabihin, yung mga friends ko po, no? Friends ko po, hindi ako paniwalaan. Hindi talaga. Kilala nila yung past self mo, hindi nila kilala yung present self mo. Yung present self mo, responsible with money. Okay? So everyone type in the chat box, I'm responsible with my money. Sige, hindi magbabago identity niyo pag hindi niyo tinype. No? Monica, Jessie, Alea, Jana, Kyrel, Janela, I'm responsible with my money. Sinigaw ko, okay lang, mas better yon. No? Sigaw mo. Ulit-ulitin mo yan. Araw-araw pag gumigising ka, I'm responsible with my money. May perang dumating, I'm responsible with my money. Okay? And I want you to type in the chat box para lang mas klaro. Someone who is financially responsible, blanks. So, fill in the blank, okay? Someone who is financially responsible, blanks. Anong ginagawa ng isang tao na financially responsible? Ginawa na daw wallpaper sa phone. Baka andyan po yung mukha ko, ha? Araw-araw niyo po ako makikita. Okay, someone who is financially responsible invests. Thumbs up if tama. Great. Someone who is financially responsible tracks expenses. Someone who is financially responsible budgets, decides rationally, saves, learns about money. Thank you. Has an emergency fund. Responsibly saves. Okay, will track cash flows. Don't say will, okay? Present tense. In the present moment, tracks cash flows. Thank you. Looks for side hustles. A lot of streams of income. Tama? Great. Wise mindset. Okay? Will become a billionaire. Siyempre, maraming pera. Okay? Doesn't rely on one income source. Learn how to say no. Grabe. Dire-diretso. No? Accumulates assets. Guys, alam niyo naman pala. Alam niyo naman pala kung paano. Gawin na lang. At magtiwala ka na ikaw yan. Alam niyo naman pala eh. Step into that person. Rewrite the script. Change your identity. And take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si Alea, no? I love that. That's just the space is great and really, really happy kasi, no? Sinong na-surprise? May ganito palang space na, pwede palang ganito, mga like-minded individuals who just wanna get better, who talks about finances, who talks about money, gustong magpayaman. Okay? Power! Hindi po, no? Hindi po ganon. There are people out there, there are spaces out there, there are communities out there that really supports you in your growth. Find them and stick with them. Better kung nag-enjoy kayo ngayon, every week, sumama kayo dito. Lagi po kami may ganito. No? Most importantly, before Janela and Jenny, last one, would share, no? Gusto ko lang din i-emphasize na ang bilis ng growth mo kapag nasa space ka ng maraming taong gusto mag-grow. Bakit? Kasi kung kabanding mo palagi is yung mga taong chismis, anong nangyayari sa buhay mo? Eh di ikaw, nagchichismis din. No? Nagmamarites ka din. Pero kung ang gusto mo is, what's your goal? What's your intention for this week? How can you be the most productive of the version of yourself? Improvement. Guess what? Yun din ikaw. Thank you so much, Janela. Pakisabi nga, I'm responsible with my money.
I am responsible with my money.
Yes, you are. Okay, that's what a responsible person does. Says no. Credit card, nope. Pass. Next month, sama ako. That's what a responsible person does. Change your identity and your life will change. Okay? Moving on. Next thing. Okay? Change your philosophy. You change your identity. Second thing, you need to change your philosophy around money. Simple lang po. Wag niyo na pong pahirapan yung mga sarili niyo. I will go over these simple concepts. If you want to learn more about this, stay tuned. I have some great opportunities for you at the end. Pero gagawin ko na pong simple. First philosophy. Tandaan niyo po, earn more than you spend. Earn more than you spend. Yung iba dito ang gastos. Pero ang kita, ang liit. Huy. Friend. No? Wag ganon. Grabe gumastos, pero yung kita ang liit. Okay lang po bang gumastos ng malaki? Type in the chat box. Tingin nyo, okay lang po bang gumastos ng malaki? Yes, sabi ni Coach Lian. Yes, sabi ni Shanine. No? Yes, sabi. No, yung iba. Okay lang po ba gumastos ng malaki? Okay lang. No, okay lang po. In fact, I encourage you to spend a lot. But not more than what you earn. Okay lang mag-spend ng malaki basta yung kita malaki. Nag-Zara po ako nung one time, no? Gumastos po ako, first time ko, gumastos ako ng close to 15,000 sa damit. First time ko pong ginawa yun sa buong buhay ko. Okay lang po ba? Okay lang. Ang kita ko naman, 10x, 20x doon. Okay lang. Okay, that's the first philosophy. The second philosophy, you want to separate yourself from the rest. You want to be wealthy, not just rich. Save more than you spend. Save more than you spend. And when I say save, I don't mean just put it in the bank. Okay? I wish I could go over kung paano nyo pa, saan pwede yung ilagay yung pera kesa sa bangko. Please, wag sa bangko. Araw-araw, nawawala yung pera nyo sa bangko to inflation. No? Meaning ng save, you set aside portion. Kalat mo, emergency fund, investments, insurance. Ikalat mo. Wag sa bangko lahat. Simple ba ang principle? Thumbs up if yes? Another webinar for these topics, please. Sige, abangan nyo po later. May gift ako sa inyo. Great. Next. Philosophy. Say no to new debt. Bakit? Tama. Guys, if you find yourself in a hole, then stop digging. Huwag nyo na pong ibaon yung sarili nyo. Say no to new debt. Kung di mo afford, edi wag muna. Okay? Stop buying shit you don't need with money you don't have to impress people that you don't like. Let me say that again. Stop buying shit you don't need with money you don't have to impress people that you don't like. Gusto mong magpapogi, wala kang budget, mangungutang, tapos para ma-post sa Instagram para ma-like ng mga taong haters. Nilike niya na. Okay na. Hindi ko na ulit suotin to. Nilike niya na. Pwede na. Worth it na. Wag po ganon. Okay? May nag-message sa akin, Coach, paano po pag kailangan? Pag kailangan, if it's good debt, meaning if it's nanghiram ka, in-invest mo sa sarili mo, best investment? Yes. Okay? Ako nanghiram po ako dati, pautang ako, pabili ako ng book. So, kasing aralin. O sige. Pero, hindi ako natatapos doon. Pautang ako bayaran ko next month, gagawa ako racket. Gagawa ko ng paraan. So, klaro sa akin. Okay? Again, if you wanna get out of debt, kung hindi po kailangan, kung hindi magbibigay sa'yo ng pera, wag muna. Pero kung kailangan sa laptop, go ahead. Klaro po ba? Stop with the old habits and start becoming the first multimillionaire in your family. That's my declaration for all of you here. Kayo ang pinakaunang magbe-break ng generation. You're fully equipped. Apply nyo lang po to, panalo na kayo. Okay? Moving on. Last one. Change your methods. Alam nyo po ba kung paano ang best method over the years, etong method na to ang ginagamit ng mga tao pagbayad ng utang? Meron po ba dito? Thumbs up kung meron. Or type me sa chat box kung matagal na kayo nagbabayad ng utang pero hindi natatapos. Mangutang ulit, sabi ni Coach Lian. Hindi po, no? Kasi kung katulad ko kayo noon na sinusubukang gawin sa, paraan ko, hindi pala gumagana yung paraan ko, hindi tayo mapupunta kahit saan. So, change your method. So, are you open to learning about a method that I used na ginagamit ng sobrang daming tao? It has been here for years. Hindi lang natin inaral at inintindi. Okay po ba kayo to learn about this? Kung wala po kayong utang, share nyo sa mga taong may utang. Makakatulong sa kanila. Type yes in the chat box. JD, thank you so much for being very engaged. No? Si JD lang ata kausap ko. Ivy, Jem, no? Shanine, Michael, Jan, Roland. Yes, okay. So, this method is called the snowball method. Paano po yung snowball method? No? Just like a snowball, nagsisimula yan maliit. And then, dahan-dahan, lalaki ng lalaki. Hanggang sobrang laki niya na sa dulo, hindi mo na mapigilan yung momentum. Ganun ka rin dapat sa pagbayad ng utang. So, paano ba itong snowball method? Ganito po gagawin nyo. Number 1, list mo yung utang mo. Huwag mong titignan yung interest rates. Huwag mong titignan yung kahit na ano. Kung ano yung pinakamalaking utang at yung papunta sa pinakamababa. First one, clear? Thumbs up? Thank you. Next. Pay minimum sa lahat ng utang na malalaki except the smallest. So, nalista mo na, 1 to 10. Ito po mga utang ko. Lahat, 1 to 9, minimum. Number 10. Okay? Next is pay or clear the smallest one with a vengeance. Meaning, you are on a mission and you will do whatever it takes. Can everyone type it in the chat box? Whatever it takes. Okay? Whatever it takes para mabayaran yung pinakamaliit at maklear yon. Okay? As if your life depended on it. Whatever it takes, yung pinakamaliit, yun ang pinaka-rush mo sa utak mo, paano ko mababayaran to? Paano ko mababayaran to? Bakit? Kasi pag nawala yan, now you're left with 9 items. Do it over again. Pag nawala yung 8, now you have 7 items. Yung iba, tinatry pa, ay, ganito yung bayaran ko muna dito, tapos ito, kalat ko sa lahat. Hindi po. Bakit? Kasi you want to build your self-esteem. And the only way that you can build your self-esteem is if you have a proof na kaya mo. And the only way na makikita mo na kaya mo is you start with the smallest one. Kasi pagtapos nun, ay, kaya pala. Then go on to the next one. Ay, kaya pala. Ay, basic. And then you snowball to the top. You repeat this until you are free. This method, wag nyo na pong kontrahin. Wag nyo na pong labanan. I-apply na lang. Okay? And alam ko po, nabitin kayo. And I have a YouTube video all about this. Check nyo. No? And I will create another one. Abangan nyo po yan. But more importantly, okay? Change your identity, change your philosophy, and last one, change your methods. And so with that, I want to leave you with something. No, and I want to share a gift with you. But before that, remember this. Mahirap man po ngayon, and it will require you discipline. But let me tell you, discipline makes tomorrow easier. But excuses make tomorrow harder. So, my dear friends, I hope that after this session, you become dedicated and committed to learning about this. Because not just learning, but applying. Apply. The only time that you can change the life that you have is if you start to change your behavior. So I'm looking forward na makita sa inyo ang result ng lahat ng methods na meron kayo today. And so take a deep breath, inhale, exhale.